All right, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a photo and hand in your work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our Google Classroom, obviously. And I've opened a 6th grade art class here. We're going to go in the bottom left corner, and we're going to click this little circle, bottom left corner. And then what this does is there's a little arrow here, and this will pop up, and this is going to show you all your different apps that you can use. We're looking for camera, and it's obviously right here, but if you're having trouble, you can always start typing camera. There it is. There's our camera app. So hopefully it'll launch. Yep, there it is. Here I am. And what you're going to do is you're going to need to take a photo of your artwork. So here's my sketchbook. What I'm going to do is take my drawing I did of Batman here. And what I'm going to do is look down here in the corner, and I can see timer is off. If I click that, that's going to bring my timer on. It's going to give me 3 seconds to center this and make sure that's exactly the way I want it. I also like to turn this one on, which is the grid. The grid is nice because it helps you with lining things up. We don't need it right away. The top one is mirror. So what we're going to do is go over and make sure photo is checked. And as soon as I hit this white button, it's going to give me a countdown. So let me click that. I'm going to center my picture. Okay, so it took the picture, and usually the picture disappears and people wonder where is the picture. If you take your mouse and you go in this bottom right corner here, there's a circle that says go to gallery. Let's click that, and then our gallery is going to come up, and hopefully, yep, there's our Batman picture. There it is. And here's an older picture that's in there too. It's a drawing that Bennett did. And then what I can do is go up here to the top, and you'll see in this corner there's a little pencil. So I click the pencil, and the first option that pops up is a magic wand. If you click that magic wand, it's going to automatically fix it. Now, it's going to get better later. The next one over is the crop tool. We're going to hit the crop tool, and I'm going to move these little white circles around until it gets only the part of the image I want. Now, I was over here on the side, and we cropped me out from the image. Now it's kind of hiding here, but I'm going to hit done. Let me move that up. There we go. I'm going to hit done. Okay, now I'm going to hit that magic wand one more time. Nope, it's not letting me. So I'm going to hit this one that looks like a sun. And what that's going to do is make it a little brighter. Look how much nicer that is. There's brightness and contrast. What that does is it pushes the blacks and the whites. And when you push it too far, you tend to get like a weird green color. If you go down, it's too gray. So you want to balance it right in the middle somewhere. Then we hit done. And now that's going to be saved for us. That's great. Now what we need to do is we need to go back here to our classroom. And what's the assignment? Upload a photo of Batman. Great. Okay. So what I need to do is upload a photo of Batman. So I'm going to click add. And what I want to do is add a file because I already have that. But I think it's in my Google Drive. Let's see. If I hit Google Drive and we go to recent, I think the picture is going to automatically go to my Google Drive. Nope. Let's go to my drive and see if it's there. Nope. Let's try this. Let's hit add. Let's go to file. We want to upload, and let's browse and see what we can find. And we're going to have to select a file. Let's find it. Let's find a recent image. Yep, right here at the top. Okay, right at the top, we're going to click on that. I can see the little icon. There's my little Batman icon. I'm going to click that, and we can't see it, so I'm going to move this over. But we hit open, and it's going to start uploading our picture. Then over here, it's going to say your work, and we're going to look for the little icon. And it's not showing us. So if we want to know if it's the right one, we can just click on it once, and hopefully it'll give us a preview. Yep, that's the right one of Batman. Let's go back. Once we have it and we're all set, we're going to hit the turn in button. That's very important. Hit that. Turn in. And we're done. Submit. Pretty easy, huh?